1 part 10. What is there? 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Okay, so if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and the girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, so we will say let the number of boys is equal to, we don't know the number of boys, we will take it as x, and the number of girls is equal to y. Now, according to the question, what is there? The total number of students are how many? 10. So that means x plus y, that means total number of boys and girls is how much? 10. Okay, and another one is equation given that girls is, that means girls are how many? Y is how much? 4 more than the boys. So boys 4 more. Okay, now see, we have to solve it by graphically. Okay, so in graph we need the table values of x and y. So we will take, suppose x plus y is equal to 10 for this x and y we will need. Okay, so if I take x plus y is equal to 10, okay, so x will be equal to 10 minus y, suppose, then if y is equal to 0, then x will be equal to 10 minus 0, that means 10. Okay, so if y is equal to, I'll take 0, so x I will get how much? 10. So same way, if y is equal to 1, x will be equal to 10 minus 1, that is 9. So if y is equal to 1, x will be equal to 9. And see, because this question is easy, so can you tell me the next value? Next value will be what? If I take y is equal to 2, x will be what? 10 minus 2, that is. Now same with the other one, y is equal to x plus 4. X, y. So y is equal to x plus 4. So this one is, see here what happened? X we have to take. Okay, x we have to take. Now x, what you will take? X equal to, suppose, what you will take? Suppose 0. So y will be equal to 0 plus 4. That means 4. So if x equal to 0, y equal to 4. Then same way, if x equal to 1, so directly can you say here only x equal to 1, y will be equal to what? 4 plus 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 4 plus 1, 5. Getting, no? Without solving here. Then x equal to, suppose, 2. So y will be equal to, x equal to 2, y equal to 2 plus 4, 6. Clear? So this way you can get the values. Now you have to put these values in the graph. What you will do? So what are the values of x are there? 10, 9, 8, 0, 1, 2. So we have to go at least till 10. And y value 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. These are the y values. Understand? So y value we have to go for 6, and x value we have to go for till 10. Now all are positive values. Okay, because these are all positive values, so we will not go for the negative values. These negative values we don't need. Okay, only positive values. So we'll make a graph where negative values are very less and positive side graph is there. Okay, now so this is your x, this is your y axis. Now 10 we have to get, so we'll have 10 equal pieces. You can take like half centimeter. Okay, so it will be easy. With the scale you take. Okay, these are things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there we have made how much? 10, because x at least we need 10. You can go to 10 or 11. Then y value we need till 6, so I made till 7. And negative values we don't need, just we have put -1, -2 this side and other side. Now value, put your values. X equal to 10, y equal to 0. X equal to 10, y equal to 0. So this is your first value. Then 9 and 1. 9 and 1. This is there. Then 8 and 2. 8 and your line should be straight, okay? Then x plus 4, so x and y. X is 0, x is 0, y is 4, x is 0, y is 4. So this one, x is 1, y is 5. This one, and x is 2, y is 6. So this way the graph will go. Okay. So because I am making in the normal rough paper, so if you make it properly, okay, so it will come in your proper, exactly it will come on 7. And from the graph you can say this is the equation of x plus y is equal to 10. This is the equation of y is equal to x plus 4. Now according to the graph is equal to how much? X value 3, y is equal to how much? 7. In part 2 what it is saying, 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. Okay, so there are 5 pencils are there and 7 pens are there. So if 5 pencil and 7 pens, that how much they are costing? 50 rupees. Second part, whereas if 7 pencils I'll take and 5 pens I'll take, so the cost will be how much? 46 rupees. Okay, so find the cost of the pencil and that of 1 pen. So what will be the 1 pencil and 1 pen's cost? Suppose I say you go in shop and then you buy 2 pencil. Okay, now pencils are, suppose how much? 5 rupees. Okay, so 2 pencils of 5 rupees and 2 pens of 10 rupees. That is equal to how much it will become? 10 and 20. 30 rupees it is becoming. Okay, so this is what is the calculation. Numbers, cost. Okay, then this one also same, numbers, and this is your cost. Okay, so number of things into the cost of one thing used to give me the total number of cost. Is it not? So same thing here also. So 5 pencil and 7 pens. So 5 into something, the price of the pencil, and 7 into the price of the pen will give me 50 rupees. Same thing here also, down also. Okay, so we do not know this thing and this thing, price of the thing. Okay, now price of the thing we don't know, so what we can take is variables. Okay, so I can take the variables there, x, and the variable of this will be, I will take y, suppose. Okay, so this way. Now, so what will be the question? Okay, so you will say, let the cost of one pencil is equal to, we will take x, and the cost of one pen is equal to y. Okay, then according to the question, 5x, that means this one I am taking, okay, upper one, this part, 5 into x plus 7 into y is equal to 50. This is your first equation will become, and second equation, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So this one is your 7 cost of the pencil, 5 cost of the pen equal to how much? 46 rupees. Now next, 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Okay, you have to take the values of, you have to find out the values of this one, and 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So this we will make 5x plus 7y equal to 50. So any one thing you will bring that side, 5x equal to 50 minus 7y, or x will be x equal to 50 minus 7y by 5. We will take this one 0. Okay, y we will take 0. So y is your 0. X will be equal to 50 minus 7y, 70. Okay, by 5. That will give me 10. Okay, so first is 0 we took, so x we got is how much? 10. Now second value, what we can say, see, if I say y equal to 1, we used to take normally y is equal to 1. Now when I take 1, so what happens, it becomes x will be equal to 50 minus 7 into 1, 7 1 ja 7 into 1, that is 7 by 5, so which gives me 43 by 5. Okay, now 43 by 5 is very difficult to find. Okay, so that's why we cannot take y equal to 0, y equal to 1. Okay, we have to take some different number such that, so that it get cut properly. Okay, so what kind of numbers we will take here, so that is depending. Okay, so we cannot take this one, so y equal to what you will take, so that it will become easy for you to solve. You will take now, so here it will be easy for you to, if you take 5. Okay, so x will be equal to 50 minus 7 into 5, 35 by 5. So now it becomes how much? 15 by 5, so which gives me 3. So when I took y is equal to 5, so it becomes how much? 3. Clear this one? So now next value what you can take is best will be your 10. Okay, so if you take 10, so x will be equal to 50 minus 7 10 ja 70 by 5, that gives me minus 20 by 5, so 4 ja. So when I took y equal to 10, x we got is minus 4. Now the second part, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So I'll take suppose y that side. 2. What you will take y value here? Y values we will take is how much? First one is 0, no problem with that. Okay, so suppose you take 0, x will be equal to 46 minus 5 into 0, 0 by 7. So is it getting cut? No. So we cannot take 0 also. Okay, so now think. Now what happened? So why we are trying with 0 we are not getting. So similarly you try with 1, 2, 3, you have to try. Okay, so it's not going. So what I tried is directly y is equal to 5. So what happened? Now x will be equal to 46 minus 5 5 is 25 by 7. Now 25 minus this will be becoming your 21 by 7. So it was 3. So when I took y is equal to 5, x value we got is 3. Now next value of y we will take is our next value after 5 you try with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. So it is going only by 12. Okay, so when y is equal to 12, so x will be equal to 46 minus 5, 12 ja 60 by 7, but minus 14 by 7. So 7 2 ja, so minus 2. When y equal to 12, x equal to minus 2. Okay, now x next value. So see here we got too much values, no? Okay, too much we have gone that side. Okay, so 12 we have gone. So better you come this side now, lower side. So y value, now don't try with 12, 13, 14, 15. You try with this side. So 0 we have already tried. Minus 1 you try. So if it is minus 1, okay, y value is your minus 1. So it will become plus 5. 46 plus 5. 61. Oh, 51. So not going. Okay. So same way others you try more. So 2 if it is trying. So 46 plus 10. 56. 7 8 56. Okay. So what value we are trying? So we are getting is minus 2 if you try. Okay. So x will be equal to 46 minus 5 2 is 10. So plus 10 by 7. So 56 by 7. 8 is 56. So if I took y is equal to minus 2, x value we are getting is 8.
Now try the graph of this question by yourself.